Hi, this is Blake from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07348 1382. Today we have a 2018 Kia Sportage. It's just shaped, runs from 10th month 15 to current. It's a QC model. Stock number is 4554. This vehicle has a petrol 2 litre G4 NA engine, backed by an automatic front wheel drive 2 litre transmission. Here we have the G4 NA 2 litre petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy rims, left-hand front, good rim with a good tyre. Guard was damaged in accident. Here we have a left-hand electric indicator mirror with flasher. Left-hand front door in good insurance quality. Left-hand rear door in good insurance quality. Left-hand rear factory 18-inch alloy rim with good tyre. Left-hand taillight on the body. Here we have the tailgate, comes complete with wiper and garnishes. We have the rear bar, which is in good condition. We have a tow bar. Right-hand taillight on body. Right-hand rear 18-inch factory alloy rim with average tyre. The doors are no good. Right-hand electric mirror with indicator. Right-hand front factory 18-inch alloy rim with good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with factory black cloth interior. Centre console lid, automatic console. This vehicle is fitted with factory sat nav unit. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.